Before starting this video, only 4.4% of you have subscribed to my channel. Let's increase this percentage since we are extremely close to 10,000 subscribers. Let's do 9,500 subscribers by today. Okay, now let's get started. I have already made a video on LoFi radio bot in 2023, but many of my members asked me make a new video. You can get the bot from Discover tab, but it's only for the PC version. For phones, you can go to the link in the video's description and invite. Now you can give this bot admin perm or set the perms manually. This will be up to you. Speaking of which, you need to create a separate voice channel for this bot. No need to create a text channel. I will let you know why later in this video. Since everything will be self-explanatory, I won't be talking too much. Now, by the way, you need to vote this bot in top GG to run all its commands. Connect to the voice channel for its commands to work. This will give you a list of different types of LoFi but you can't choose since it's premium. This is a cool feature. Do you know those people who connect to the voice chat and sleep there? This feature is for them. You can set the timer. You can set for however long you want. This is profile feature. You can check it for yourself. You can also check the leaderboard to see who listens to the song the most. Since nobody is in my experiment server, I will show you in my main server. Here you can see a lot of members on the leaderboard. This bot also has DJ role. I guess it allows members with this role to control the bot. But you need to make a separate role for this. This is what they offer you in premium. If you want, you can buy monthly premium. So yep, I taught you everything you need to know about LoFi bot. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. And remember, only my subscribers will get a better chance to win free Discord Nitro and other perks. We are also getting close to 10,000 subscribers.